What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tech City. And in today's episode, I am going to show you guys, all iOS lovers or iPhone lovers, or if you just recently switched to an iPhone, how to use the Google keyboard on your iOS device rather than the stock keyboard from Apple. So without no further ado, let's get started. And for this to work, you have to be running the latest version of iOS, which is iOS 14.4.2 by the time of recording this video. There is a 14.4.3 beta out. It's a developer beta, but you all know the hazards in installing developer betas, so we are just gonna leave the beta there till it reaches a public version. As you can see, there's a 14.4.3 beta, but that ain't cool. So without no further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I'm running iOS 14 here with the new app library and the widgets, iOS 14 widgets. So this method works without jailbreak. All you gotta do is head over to the App Store like this, head over to the search area and just search Gboard. Yeah, you're gonna find the official Google keyboard on iOS, designed specifically to work with iOS 14 and above. Let's see, it requires iOS 11 or later. Sorry, my bad. I guess you could use it on iOS 11 or later. So just simple, just need to click install and just wait for the installation process to begin. Okay, download. It's gonna take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Just wait for it to load. Okay, loaded and done installing. So once the installation is complete, you should find the Gboard on your home screen. Just head over to the application. First time opening it, you're gonna see some animations like this. Right from your keyboard, just click get started. Now you need to give it full access. Get started, which will take you to the settings. Just a sec. Now you have to switch from your stock keyboard to Gboard. So what you wanna do is you wanna long press on this globe icon next to the microphone icon, and you have to select Gboard. As you can see, great order started. Enabling full access. So keyboard, you head over to keyboard to allow full access. Click allow, and you should be done for now. And I think you are done. So once you are done, just test it on any text input area to see whether you have Google's keyboard. Don't worry if you bring out your keyboard and still see the stock iOS keyboard. Just long click on the globe icon like this. No, just long click on the globe icon and select Gboard. As you can see, now what comes with the Gboard is you could do quick Google search right from the Gboard. You could do quick Google search right from the Gboard without even opening Safari or opening any app. My best part is the Google Translator. You can translate basically everything you want to any language. So I'm going to translate "How are you" to Spanish. And just click translate, and you have your Spanish meaning. You can just paste text. And one of the best features with the stock default iOS keyboard is the touch ID movement. No, I mean 3D touch cursor movement. It also works with the Gboard. As you can see, if your iPhone supports 3D touch, you can just be swiping your hands across the keyboard to change the cursor. You can just be swiping your hands across the keyboard by pressing it hard enough for the 3D touch to activate and changing the cursor. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. You Android enthusiasts who love iOS 2, there's a quick way to use Gboard on your iOS device. But thank you for watching. Stay tuned. This is Kinsley, signing out of Tech City. Peace out.